Okay, so this is the inside, okay, like you can see. So an automatic, we usually have 2 pedals only, okay. If it was manual, would have 1 there, okay, but this is an automatic. So this is the brake, and then this is the accelerator, okay, the brake and the accelerator, okay. So let me just jump in. Okay, so like I was saying, this is an automatic, okay, it's 1HD, so it's an automatic, okay. So in all the times that you want to engage in automatic vehicles, so like you can see, I'm not on the pedals there, okay, I'm not on the pedals there, so this thing can't move, okay, this can't move, okay. So on the modes there, we have the P, this is the park, the reverse, the neutral, the drive, then 2, and then the L, which is for low, okay, low or lowest, low, whichever, okay. So these are the drive modes in an automatic vehicle, okay. Some we even have a 3 on the D here, you have a 3, like in a Toyota Hilux, okay, we have a 3. It is just one and the same. So the 2, the L, and the 3 in some vehicles, so these are just basically low gears, okay. So you just don't have to mind about them a lot when you are, this is when you are starting to, or this is when you are learning how to drive, okay, because these are just low gears. So basically you just use them when the vehicle is loaded, and then you want, or you're going up a hill. When the vehicle is loaded and you're going up a hill, so you basically use the L, the 2, and then the 3 in some vehicles, okay. So even when the vehicle has 4-wheel drive, you can also use 2 and L to come out. Yeah, when you're stuck, when you're going in a sandy road, in a yeah, when you're going off roads, when you're doing just off-roading, okay, you can use them. But for our day-to-day driving, most it will just be the park, the reverse, neutral, and D, okay. So most the vehicle will be engaged into these four gears, okay. When you park your vehicle, it's a must, you must bring it into park, because you've parked the vehicle, you've reached your final destination, you put it in P, okay. So R is for reverse, when you want to go backwards, that's when you use R. And then this is a neutral, this is just a neutral, it's not so important when you're moving, okay. And then we have the D here, okay. Neutral is just basically when, or maybe you have a fault, your vehicle has a fault, okay, you want to push it, you can put it, it can only move in neutral, okay. So you bring it to neutral, then you push it forward or backwards or wherever you're going, okay. Or when you want to tow the vehicle, you can put it in neutral, okay. So those are the situations it will mostly work. But we have the D here, okay. So our D is the drive. So this one is the most used, because going forward you always put it in D, okay. Then it will change the gears for you. So that's the only difference between an automatic and a manual, because this one will change gears for you, and then a manual change the gears yourself, okay. So how to drive an automatic, okay. So let me just a moment, let me just put in, I'm sure I can see the ignition over there, okay. So that's the ignition. I've just put in the keys, okay. I've closed the door, okay. So I'll start the vehicle. If it is in P, okay, if it is in P, the vehicle you can start the vehicle that side. If it is in neutral, the vehicle can start, but any other gear apart from P and N, the vehicle can't start, okay. Yeah, the vehicle can't start, but since it is in P, it will start, okay. Just a moment, okay. I'm on the brake there, okay. Before you start an automatic, it's advisable you do that. You just go on the brake, okay. So I've started the vehicle right now, okay, and it is in P, okay, and I'm on the brake there, okay. For you to engage any gear in an automatic, for you to engage any gear in an automatic, you must be on the brake. Okay, you must be on the brake before the vehicle starts moving. Okay, you press the button here. Okay, the button here. So that's the reverse, that's the neutral, that's the D. Okay, then that's 2, and then that's L. Okay, so those are just the driving modes, but for you to drive, to go forward, you must bring it into D. Okay, you must bring it in D, and then you can start off. Okay, so that is how you drive an automatic. It's just as simple as that. From P, as long as you started the vehicle, you go on the brake. Okay, then you shift the gear lever to D. Okay, when it is in D, there's a handbrake here. It will be different in different vehicles, but for a coaster, the handbrake is here. Okay, the handbrake, you just put down the handbrake, then you let go of the brake, the vehicle will start moving. Okay, the vehicle will start moving as long as you've just put it in D. So from there now you can go on the accelerator, slowly going down. Okay, you just don't go there on the what, because the vehicle can fly. Okay, the vehicle will fly on you. So the best way to go about it is be slowly on the speed, on the accelerator, so that the vehicle can pick speed gradually. Okay, so that it can pick speed gradually. So that is how you go about it. Okay, okay, so that is how you go about it. That is how you drive an automatic. So step number 1 to be go on the brake, then start the vehicle. Okay, then shift this side to D. Okay, if you want to go forward. If you want to go to reverse, you put it in reverse. Okay, then you release the handbrake. Then you release the handbrake here. Okay, after releasing the handbrake, you can slowly leave the brake, then go on the accelerator. Then the vehicle will start moving on its own. Okay, it will start moving when you go on the accelerator, slowly on the accelerator, so that the vehicle can gradually move. If you go fast on the accelerator, there will be too much power. Okay, this is an automatic, remember. It's not like in a manual. In a manual it will go off, but in an automatic it will respond to how much power you give it. Okay, so that is how you drive an automatic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.